So let's start today's video. For that I'm going to do in the center of the paper kind of like a spirally, but it's wiggly at the same time. So I hope you guys can see. So one time I turn here, the second time I'm turning from here. So first one is here and then second one is here, and now I'm turning one more time and it's wiggly when I'm going. So 1 2 3, and then I'm going to turn again. For that one I will go a little bit up and down, and now I have to go here. I will do a little bit bigger one, wiggly one, and I will try to come a little bit down over here, and I will go this way. So first one, this one, I will turn a little bit more here, and I will draw lines over here. Even this one too. So I wrote the number. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. After that, under this 5, I'm going to turn a little bit down here, and from here I'm going to turn this one here. It can be this direction too, doesn't matter, it can be like that too. Now from here I'm going to turn this one all the way here, and from here I will do double lines. Now from here I'm going to turn this one too, kind of curvy. Now from number 6 I'm going to pull this one down like that. Same thing like this side I did, same thing I will do here. If you want to do a little bit in, that's totally fine. I did this one, and on the top I'm going to draw another one. So it can be like from here or here, you can decide, and then make alphabet C and curve it this way. Now this is the line. I can pull here or here, doesn't matter. I will curve slightly here, and then I will try to go curvy here, bumpy here, and this part I'm going to do kind of like a sad face. And from here I'm going to turn one line up, and it will go and connect over here. So this one we have to connect here, this will go and connect over here too, so all the way here, and then I will pull a little bit more up here, and from here I'm going to, from here, so this one is not really sharp, it's curvy, and from here slowly by slowly wiggly line we will draw all the way here, and then I'm going to turn this one this direction, and from here I will do one line, and then I will turn this way. Now I will go, this is number 5, on the top over here I will go kind of like a candy cane but wiggly one. So it will come all the way to wherever it can come here, it can go here. If you want, you can connect this one here too. I can start from here, I can go like up, again tiny up, and I can connect with this one and make a little bit curvy line here. So it will be folded one here. Now I'm going to pull one line here. It can be anywhere here, and from here a little bit wiggly, and it will go here. When I have to connect here, I will just go and drop this line this way. Now for next one I will do alphabet V over here, going down and little bit up, kind of like arch over here, and I can go all the way here, and from here I will put a little bit more smoother line over here to show this is folded one. Now we can draw another one kind of like alphabet U but wiggly. It will go all the way here. So this part is really bumpy for me, so I don't like it, but you can keep it this way. I like kind of very smooth one like this way, slightly bumpy here. So then I will connect this one here. Now from here you have to think this is also a petal over here, and we will pull this one, and this one can go a little bit on the top of this one, and we can draw one kind of like in and out like that, and whatever we have inside we will erase. And this one is going here, so I can start from here immediately, and we can pull this one wiggly here and then this way, or maybe here this much. And I can draw one more here because it looks a little bit empty over here. And if I want, I can draw one more here too. Now over here, this is the center part coming here, so I will pull two lines. And one kind of like alphabet V shape, and then I will do with the float this one, and this has to be very skinny, and one maybe here, one kind of here, maybe here,